In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings to get LearnDash working perfectly with CartFlows. Let me show you what we're going to create in this video. It's a free course funnel. So the first step of the funnel will be this page right here, where you are offering a free course, and when someone enters their name and email, they're automatically going to be enrolled in a free course. This is a great way to get someone to take that first step with you. Now, once they fill this out, they're going to be taken to this page right here, which is going to immediately give them an offer for an additional paid course. And this will be a $60 course, and they can go here and pay for that course. Here's the checkout form for that. And when they're done with this, they're going to be taken to this thank you page. Now, the only reason we don't see any information here on the thank you page is because we actually have to go through an order, which we are going to also do inside of this video. Okay, I'm going to make a few assumptions that number one, you've already installed and activated LearnDash and added your LearnDash license code. We're going to need that license code in there. Next, that you've installed and activated CartFlows, the free version or the pro version. We're only going to go over the free version features in this video. Now, right off the bat, there's some very important WooCommerce settings as it relates to when someone's account is created. So we're going to go to WooCommerce, and then we're going to go to Settings. And then we want to click right here where it says Accounts and Privacy. And this is where those settings are. I want you to match the same settings that you see set right here. So for guest checkout, we want to make sure both options are unchecked. And then under account creation, we want to make sure that allow customers to create an account during checkout is checked. And then the next one we can leave unchecked, but then the next two need to be checked. What this is going to enable to have happen is when someone enrolls in the course or purchases a course, an account will automatically be created for them on your online course website, and they're going to be emailed an email that will have their auto-generated password. So what's going to happen with these settings this way, as soon as someone makes a purchase, they're automatically now logged into your website so they can instantly access the content inside of the courses. They're going to be instantly unlocked. If you do not have it set this way, it gets very confusing. And for example, if the guest checkout box is enabled, then an account is never even created for someone. So these are the optimal settings to make sure that when someone makes a purchase, that an account is going to be created and they're going to be emailed the password. And we're going to go over all of that in this video, and I'm going to show you going through the entire funnel and what emails your buyer will receive. Now, next, I want you to go to LearnDash LMS, scroll down to where it says add-ons. There's one add-on that you're going to need, and that is LearnDash for WooCommerce. It's right here. So you're going to want to click on Install Now and Activate. If you do not have your license code entered into LearnDash, you're not going to see these options here, and you will not be able to access this add-on. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is click on Courses and create a new course. I've already created 2 courses right here, but to create a new course, all you have to do is click on Add New. Then you're going to want to give your course a title and save your course. Now, I've already created 2 courses right here. Now, once you have your courses created, go to Products and click on Add New Product. So what you'll need to do is create a WooCommerce product for each one of your courses that you want to sell. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is give your product a name, and I name it the same name as my course. And then scroll all the way down to the product data. We want to leave it where it says simple product. Right here, you want to enter a price. And then here's where the linking or the connection happens between this product and your course. Right here where it says related courses. So when you click into this box, it's going to show you a list of the courses you've created. And what you'll want to do is select the course that you want someone to be enrolled into when they purchase this product. Next, to simplify these options, and it's optional, you can click this checkbox here that says virtual. All that does is hide some of these options. So then what you'll want to do is publish this product. Now, I've already gone ahead and created a product for each one of my 2 courses that I've created. Now, I've created a free product right here, and I've created a paid product, and I'm going to be using these in the sales funnel that I've created. To create a free product, I'll just go into this one to show you. You see the name of the product, and when I scroll down, you see I've checked where it says virtual, and I've selected the product, and for the price, I've entered in 0. Now, it's very important in this drop down here where it says simple product. When you click on that, there's also this option here that says course. We do not want to choose that. We want to leave it on simple product, just like you see right there. So what this means is if someone purchases this product, which happens to be free, they're going to be enrolled into this course. This is how a product is linked to a course. Next, we want to go into CartFlows and create a sales funnel. So I'll click on CartFlows right here, and I've already created my sales funnel, but I want to show you how to do this from scratch. So let's click on Add New, and this is where we get the option to choose a template. So I'm going to choose this template right here that says Email Marketing Course. Now, this is one of our pro templates, and you can see we've been releasing a lot of templates lately for course creators. We also have this free template right here, which is an option for you. But I want to choose this one right here, so I'll click on Import. Now, what this is going to do is download, import, and set everything else up for us. All we need to do is make the connection to the products that we just created. So the next thing you're going to want to do here is to give this flow a title. Now, I've named this Free Course Funnel, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Update. So now what we need to do is connect on this first step. We need to connect it to the WooCommerce product, and we also need to do it for this step right here. This is where we're going to give it away for free, a course for free, and this is where we're going to be selling a course. So I'm going to click on Edit right here. And then when I scroll down, right here is giving me the option to select the free product. So I'm going to click right here, and the name of that free product was Getting Started with Email Marketing. As soon as I've entered in a minimal of 3 letters, it's going to show me a list of products that I've created. And so I'm going to click right here to select it. Next, I want to show you where you can change the text that is on the button. So if we look right here, it says send me free copy now. You probably don't want to put that there. So let's click back to the step. I'm going to click on design, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and then here is the submit button text. So you might want to change this to say something such as enroll me now. Okay, I've changed it to enroll me now, and when I scroll up, there's one more thing I want you to notice, and that is the name of the step. This is important when we're linking this funnel to the LearnDash course. So you're going to want to make sure you've entered a title in here that you're going to be able to see from a list and make the right connection. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on Update. And now that's updated. So next I want to click back to Edit Flow, and we have to kind of do the same thing here for the next step in the funnel, and that was this page right here where we're going to offer to sell them a course for $60. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to click on Edit, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Select Product, And this product is named Email Marketing Full Access. There it is. I'll select that course, and now that connection is made. If you have access to CartFlows Pro, you can dynamically add discounts, coupons right here, add order bumps, and you can customize the checkout fields as well. So now that I've linked it up with the product, I'll scroll up, I'll click on Update, and just like a moment ago, you might want to customize the title of this step. And then I'm going to click to back to edit flow, and we have it all set up now. So next, we need to make the connection to the course in LearnDash and this funnel right here. And the way we do that is quite easy. I'm going to click right here where it says LearnDash and go to Courses. And this is where I'm going to see the list of my courses. So let's go ahead and click on the first course. I'm going to click right here. And this is where you start building out the content of your course. And what we want to do though is go right here where it says Settings. We want to click into Settings, and then we want to scroll down a bit. Now we need to have a good understanding of the various access modes for LearnDash. So by default, it's set to open, but when you're connecting this in with CartFlows, you want to choose closed. And then you want to scroll all the way down, and there is a setting right here that says LearnDash Course Settings. Select CartFlows template for this course. This is where you're going to link this course to your CartFlows sales funnel, and you can see the title names of the steps. So this was the step right here to access the free course. So we want to choose that. Now what this is going to do is something very special. It's kind of the magic behind CartFlows. So let me disable this setting so that you can see the normal behavior without configuring it this way. So I'm going to scroll up, and instead of closed, I'm going to choose open, and then I'm going to click on update. And let me show you the experience your buyer will have. Here I am on the front page of that website, and I'm looking at a grid of courses. And so when I click on this course right here, they get taken to the normal page that is created by LearnDash. And obviously I haven't built it out. I haven't put my price in and all of that. But normally they just see the title and they see a list of lessons, and you might want to keep that information private. And it just looks like a normal basic page. This is what normally happens with LearnDash. But what we're going to do is make it so instead of showing that, we're going to take them right to that offer page where we're offering to give them this course for free, the beautifully designed CartFlows page. And that's what we're doing with that setting. So now I'm back to the course setting page. I'm going to put this to closed, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to say instead of showing the LearnDash page, I want to show this page right here, which is the free course offer page. And I'm going to click on update. Now, I recommend that you do this for all of your courses. So if you're building out a unique flow for each course, I recommend you go into each course and make that setting so that when someone is going to view your course page from the grid, they're going to instead see a beautifully custom designed page that you've made inside of CartFlows. So now let me go back and show you experience your buyer will have now. We're back to the course grid. I'm going to click right here, and instead of taking me to the LearnDash generated course page, instead I get taken here, which is the page that I selected to be taken to instead. This is such a good feature for so many reasons. It's a much better way to sell your course and to convey the value of your course, and also to keep parts of your course private to only enrolled students, such as your course syllabus. So now let's go ahead and test this flow that I've just set up. Now, it's very important when you're testing with CartFlows to make sure you're in an incognito window or a different web browser on your computer, because you don't want to be logged in as the admin when you're testing it, because you're not going to see this. You're going to see what the admin gets to see. But what we're doing is we're testing what someone that just came to your website is going to see. Also, if you're going to test making purchases, it's better to use your payment gateway's test API. So I have enabled Stripe, and I'm going to use Stripe's test API. You do not want to test your funnels with coupons, a 100% off coupon. You want to test it just what exactly a buyer would experience on your site, but you want to use the test API credentials that your payment gateway gives you. All right, let's go ahead and test this out. So I'll go ahead and fill out a name and email address. I've entered in a name and email address, Jack Bauer. I think that was the name of the main character on the TV show 24. I'll click on send, or I'll click on the order right here. It just takes a moment. Now what's happening is an account was just created and they were just enrolled in the course. So let me show you the emails that were triggered by this process. So here I am in the email capture tool that I'm using to be able to show you this. So the very first email that went out was this right here. So we have a total of 4 emails that were triggered so far. This was sent to the customer, and it's letting them know that the account was created. Here's a notification that goes to you about a new order having been placed. And then here is the receipt to the buyer. So first, let's take a look at the first email that they receive. Okay, I just clicked on it and you can see right here, it's saying welcome. It's pulling the name CartFlows from the title you have linked to your site. And right here is an auto-generated password. So it's letting them know that they can click right here, log in, and this is their password. Now what happens is now they're actually already automatically logged in, which allows them to have instant access to the course content. Okay, but this is their password. So this is how the account gets created and they get their password. Next is this email goes to you to let you know that someone just signed up. And then right here, we have the receipt that goes out to your new student. So now let's go and place an order for the next step in our funnel. Here's the offer. I'll scroll all the way down to where the checkout form is. And as you can see, it pre-fills out the name from the prior step and the email address from the prior step. And all the buyer has to do at this point is enter in their credit card. So like I said, I'm in Stripe's test mode, so I'm going to take this info and put it in. Okay, that info's in. I'm going to click on Get the Premium version right here, and the actual order is going to be placed and receipts are emailed out. I'm taken to the thank you page that shows me the orders received, how much I paid, and all of that. Now you have some options here when we get to this thank you page. You can bypass it altogether, and if you want, you could take them straight into the course. I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a moment. But what I prefer to do is edit this design, put in a video saying thank you, and tell them what their next steps are. Or you can have a big button in here that will take them to the members dashboard. It's entirely up to you. So here I am back at the home page. I'm going to click on dashboard and you can see here is the user account. I'm automatically logged in. And when I scroll down, here are the 2 courses that I have access to. Now you optionally could have, instead of sending them to the thank you page, you could have sent them right here to the user dashboard. It's completely up to you, but I want to show you how to do that. I'm going to go up to the URL and I'm going to copy it into my clipboard. Before I do that, I just want to show you the additional emails that were generated. So right here is the notification to you of the sale right here. And then here is the receipt that goes out to the buyer. Okay, So now what we want to do is we want to go back into our flow that we had created, and it was right here, our free course funnel. And then right here for the thank you page step, I'm going to go here and click on edit. And then let's go ahead and scroll down, then click on settings. And then right here, we have this option that says redirect after purchase. I'm going to click on enable. And then right here, I'm going to paste in that URL to the dashboard. So what this setting is going to do is completely bypass this thank you page step. Instead of showing them this thank you page step, it's going to redirect them directly to this URL right here. So this is where you can optionally send them straight to the dashboard instead of that thank you page. Now, if this flow was just selling one particular course, instead of the link to the dashboard, you can have them be sent directly to that course's page, and then they can begin taking the course. But like I said, I like to have a thank you page, and then I like to, on the thank you page, have a button to take them to the dashboard. It's entirely up to you. The flexibility is here for you to do what you want to do. So we've covered a lot in this video. We've created LearnDash courses. We've created WooCommerce products that we linked to those courses. We set up WooCommerce properly to work with LearnDash for the account creation. Then we created our flow and we linked our flow to the product. And then we linked the LearnDash courses to the flow so someone would see the flow instead of the course index page. I know there's a few moving parts. It's actually really simple once you just spend more time doing it. And I can guarantee it's definitely 100% worth the effort to create a better buying experience and also be able to sell more courses by making more offers. All right. That's all that I have for you in this video. If you found value in it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click on subscribe and click on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.